Hi, this is Ms. Hepworth, and I just wanted to walk you through today's assignments for September 3rd, starting the week of September 3rd. So as you can see, I'm actually in the PLP platform. Please find your appropriate period in which you have science class and go ahead and click. Once you click on my course, you should be brought to a page that has several different assignment links. So the ones for this week that we are going to be interested in are going to be the links for what is evidence, the CRE claim evidence reasoning, activate learning CRE poster, and claim evidence and reasoning paragraph. So the first three links are going to be information that will help you on your claim evidence and reasoning paragraph. The first one, what is evidence, is actually a video. So please watch that if you were unable to watch it during our meeting session. Underneath that, it is another video that further explains, what a claim statement is, what evidence is, and what is reasoning. Then this is just an infographic that kind of condenses down that information and talks about claim evidence and reasoning. That's what I shared in class. And then the last piece is the actual assignment. So let's look at that. So right now I'm within the assignment link. As you can see, there are some instructions there. It says, please read through the attached PDF document discussing the topic, do lobsters feel pain? Then you will choose one of the 5 claim statements on the last page of the PDF and write a paragraph. You can write that in a Google Doc, and then you'll share the link to turn that in, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. So make sure that paragraph also includes a claim, the claim that you chose, supporting evidence and reasoning. Let's look at that attachment. So if you scroll to the very bottom of the assignment link, you find the attachment. So we'll go ahead and click on that. And this is what the attachment looks like. So up at the top, once again, is going over the CRE, claim, evidence, and reasoning. And they actually, in the document, go ahead and highlight those different parts of the scientific explanation. So the claim is in green. The evidence they provided is in like a yellow-orange, and then in purple is the reasoning. So as you can see, the purple is the link between the claim and the evidence. Okay, and they actually provide 2 different sides to the question, do lobsters feel pain? On in one paragraph, they talk about how they do. In the next, they talk about how they don't. So it's really important that when you're looking for evidence, okay, that you find evidence that really supports your claim. Oftentimes you can find information or evidence that supports both sides. And really it comes down to the reasoning that you use in order to support or link your claim with your evidence. So that's your examples that you can use. And then this is actually where you're going to choose one of these 5 different claim statements, okay, and create a 5 to 7 sentence paragraph that includes your claim, some evidence that you will find on Google, so you'll have to do a Google search, and then linking it together with your reasoning. So with these down here where they have these little arrows that are, that's where you'll fill in. So for number 4, the smartest organism on earth is, you will choose one. For number 2, more money should be spent on, you'll pick a subject in science. You could say chemistry, then on physics or something like that. You could also say on this research rather than that research. Then you can put in a science discovery for number 3. So there's a couple of different options. You can choose from these 5. I would say try to stick to one of these 5s. 5 claim statements so that we can kind of share out our answers or our paragraphs and kind of compare what each other came up with. All right, the very last thing that I actually want you to do is, as you can see in the navigation over here, we're now outside of 8th grade science, introduction to 8th grade science, and now into unit 2. I actually want you to go to lesson 1, the nature of science, and I want you to read through the selection, and then at the very bottom, please watch the video as well. At the very bottom, there are questions that I want you to answer. There should be, it looks like, 11 in total. So read nature of science and then answer the questions. So the next time I see you, please make sure you have finished the claim, evidence, and reasoning paragraph and this selection over the nature of science. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to go ahead and send me an email or get with me on a Google Meet. You can also send me a remind message. So there's multiple ways for you to get in contact. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Thank you. Bye-bye.